Merry Christmas! Papunta na kami sa sister-in-law ko. Ito na yung ginawa kong pavlova. Then, spring rolls. Nasunog ng asawa ko. Ayan, spring rolls and custard cake. Ayan si Kuya, nalagay niya yung mga gifts sa car.
What's that?
Merry Christmas, guys! We're on the way na sa sa bahay na.
Mouse house, bye.
Di ba lagi niya akong...
Good morning. I love you.
So yan, nasabi na sa yung sasabihin ko. So yun, doon kayo
I
mag-Christmas.
really love you. What did you just nothing again?
How did you know? Of course they get something. Father Christmas will give everyone. Oh, you brought your wallet?
Yes.
Oh, you have to be careful.
Oh, I want to have a.
Hi, babe.
Have a go with my wallet.
Where?
I want to dip hunter.
Oh.
We're gonna find that game too.
Okay. So, I'll see you later, guys. Pero hindi ko alam kung makakapag-vlog ako doon kasi hindi alam ng family ni Jen na ginagawa ko to. So, we'll see. Siguro magpasimple ako. Tingnan na lang natin. Right? Right? Hi, Holly. Say hi.
Mom.
Holly.
Mommy.
She's asleep.
Mommy.
Yeah, we let her have a little nap.
Okay.
Mom.
Yes.
I will dip hunter a little plow my wallet.
No, you don't play with your wallet
No,
because
it stays in the car,
no, it
Zachary.
stays in the car
Because
because
people's going to find it, take your money, and you're not going to lose everything.
yeah, that's right.
That's how it works, mate.
That's why you should have left that at home, like Kuya. Did you bring yours, Kuya?
Yeah.
I told you can bring your wallet when we go to Big W or Target or Kmart, so you can buy something for that money. Diba? Diba? Okay, say see you guys. Zach.
Mom.
Kuya, say see you
I
guys.
just said that.
I didn't hear you.
See ya.
How about you, Zaki? Zachary is mataray.
Oh, we're gonna say raise it, guys.
Oh, yeah, later. So there is more gifts for the kids. So yan, for sure that's for Holly. So every year, yung sister-in-law ko, nagko-collect siya ng pera na para siya na lang mamili kung ano para sa kids. Then we agree with that para hindi na rin kayo mag-isip kung anong kukunin namin. So ayan. So ayan. So like this year, I think each family has to give 320. But sa lahat na yun, lahat ng family, lahat magkakaroon yung mga bata. So ayan. Wow, is it yummy?
Oh, I want one. Can I have one?
Wala pa yung ibang
Oh, these are my
family.
favorite. Mom, can I
Yeah,
have
no?
one?
Yes. Not too much, okay? Holly's giving you. Oh, that's too big, Baba. No, not that one, Sa. That's too big. No.
Putting on the back of the year now. Yeah. He wasn't keen the first couple of times. He was
Holly, that's enough. That's enough. Hi, Brian. Merry Christmas. That's enough. That's enough.
No more.
That's it.
Can I have one more? Dad,
No more.
give it to Zach. Holly, come on.
No
Holly, I want more.
No.
Holly.
Dog there.
Wrapped in plastic with clothes.
Wow, she loves dog. Dog, oh, good girl.
Get up.
Wait.
I'll hit you. Yeah.
Trying to get that thing.
Oh, Dad.
Said, look.
I reckon when they're eating sort of like pre-packed food, that's
Wait, Baba.
you look real.
Yeah, you've done a good job with your figura and all that.
Yeah.
Look beautiful.
I didn't bring your hot dog.
You're real stable. Yeah.
Mel, she done the one.
Whoa.
That's a good bun.
Yeah. So sit, guy. Sit, good boy. You can pat him now. You can pat him now. See what she's patting.
She loves dogs. She loves dogs.
You like your puppy, huh? You like right?
It's Brianna's driving.
You like Brad, do you now? Huh? You like Brad now?
Hello. Say hi. She's friendly, that one. Oops. Honey, yes, that's enough.
Hello, bye.
Merry Christmas! How are you? Do you know that Jensa have this? Do you know that? How are you? Huh? Hey, little girls, Carol and Tito Lana.
Make sure Hunter pick up your drug order. Hunter, pick up your rubbish. Pick up your rubbish.
Food is ready. Yeah, it's nice, Dad. I tried that one.
They would just
Holly, say cheese. Holly, say cheese.
Where's the noodle?
Awesome.
Hi, Brad.
How you going?
Say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Do you know Father Christmas has money?
Where you were?
Yeah, Father Christmas has money. He put money in my wallet. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Where are you going, Papa?
mommy, mommy,
Oi.
mommy.
Oi. You get the good one.
Mommy.
Yes.
Can
Two more. No, you have to get a lot. No.
buy more? Buy more. Mom, buy more.
Move, Holly. Holly, move.
Holly.
Okay, eat. Sit.
I mean, what did you say? Yeah. I think Sam can be eaten.
Where's that?
Here's the size of John.
You have no idea.
Come on, eat, please. Are you not gonna?
Hunter's foot's down there. It's near my foot. Under it.
Eat, please.
Hunter, put it back. It's just.
What's this one? Mine.
Are you done?
Oh, I'm so glad I didn't buy this. I've got that one. So yeah.
Okay, now. Wait.
Yeah.
That is copying. Oops. Hello. Say hi.
Yeah, we all know that one. Thanks, fans. Thanks for my presents, fans.
Ollie.
Come on, Holly. Are you what did you get? Oh, gosh, you push you. Ah, look. Oh, careful, love.
I got scared.
Don't touch Holly. Are you?
And a towel. And then what I'm wearing.
Jace? Where's Uncle Jace? Where's Uncle Jace? Heather did a good job, I think.
She's a happy baby.
Yeah, she's also look. Hi. Don't tag.
See ya.
See ya, Riz.
I'll probably see you before I leave.
Where are you going, Riz?
I'm going to Dad's.
Oh, oh.
Bye-bye. Dad's.
What are you doing?
See ya.
I'll have this. I'll have this.
See ya. Bye. You too. Bye.
DJ, give it to Daddy. Give this to Daddy. Give this to Dad.
My father.
This one too.
Alright. Bye.
I think they don't fly. Man.
That one?
No, that's for Holly. That's alright. No, this alright. Sorry. Thank you. No, no. Put it in the bag. No, no, that's yucky.
Mom, I really have a big stomach. Apple dies, Mary feed me. What did you do? Yeah. My dog would have pissed. Wait, Mom, I'm gonna.
This way so I can start.
Bring your shoes here. Top for Mama. Come here. Come here. Mommy fix it for you. Okay, wait. Get here. What?
Hundred mile an hour over this other end. Gotta dive on your guts. Through the knee, ACL.
Oh my God! Careful! What? No, no. On your belly, sir. No, for Holly.
Hunter's too light.
Jack, no!
Hunter's like throwing a leaf on there.
Yeah, he's too light. You can't get a.
Wash their clothes.
Yeah.
That's
boy.
it,
That's
it, boy.
better. Yeah, that's that.
I wouldn't run on it.
No.
For Holly.
Are you getting on?
Baba. We should get one of them.
Go and sit over there for 5 minutes. Go with Pete. The same as Harry.
Baba, where are you? Wow.
I like the slippery slide animal. I like the slippery. He let me in the air.
It's so cold.
That's enough, Lala. But she's loving it until now.
Oh, careful, Paige, because you're squirting all over.
Hello.
Is it good?
Holly.
Right, huh?
Animal, did you see me?
Careful.
Mom, I like it.
Yeah.
Mom, no friendly don't do this.
Careful.
Mom! Mama! Mom! Mommy!
Yeah. That's cool. Careful, Kuya. Magtito yan, no?
Okay, Miss Holly, the boys gotta have a play now.
What you doing, Baba?
You're freezing, love.
What the, Baba?
Good thing you wash your clothes, Holly, with all the fruits. Okay, Holly, hop up. Get honey.
It's cold. It's cold. Hop out. Yeah. Oh, that nice. Oh, that nice.
Yeah,
It's
now the
all right
boys
now.
have a go and then oh, she's dripping.
Yeah.
Different. Yeah. It's different. Look, this is normal cake.
That's custard, Bub. That's custard.
This is Mummy's favourite, that bit.
You want pavlova?
Take the pink paper there.
So you've got this to give us the present now.
What do you got to get, Baba?
What's that? Wow, that's nice. Dancing princess.
Princess.
Wow, say thanks, Uncle.
Paper. Put that in your wallet.
Wow. Got a wallet?
Yeah, you got one for
Wow, that's nice, Uncle John.
Which ones are good?
Oh, that's nice. Holy, look. Look at that one.
That's for some of your baby photos to go with.
Wow, that's nice. And thank you, that's very sweet. No worries.
Hang on. Here, that's that to Mum.
Thanks, Uncle John. This is very nice. Oh, that should fit. Wow. Auntie Man, look, so pretty. Yeah. You like it, Dad? Yan ang size niya, Ma'am. Yan ang size niya.
Oh, Holly, that looks fun.
Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol!
There's the TJ, mate. Open that one, mate. That's the money for you, and that's your presents in the bag. In this bag here, okay?
Oh, that's nice, man.
You got the silver and boy in the blue.
Nice, wow.
Show mommy.
Show mommy. Wow, wow, Ali. What you gonna say to Auntie Ma and to the rest of the family? Ay, oh, that's nice. Look at Holly. Holly, look. Dad, that's for mommy. Dad, you got another there. Oh, look. Wow, that's bomber. DJ, you have to put it in your bag so it won't mix to anyone. That's right, you have to put it back in your...
He's just concerned with that, and I'm not really looking.
I like that. Wow, Hannah, look. Tyron, put all your stuff in the bag. Tyron. Holly, where's yours? Holly?
They're all the same. Who is it? Who wears number 9?
Oh, no.
Who wears number 9?
Go Pros. Yeah, put it back.
Want to be a crow?
That's Holly's. Yeah, that was 2.
Supposed to grow or something, I don't know.
Yeah, they grow.
No.
She wanna go with the boys.
No, Baba.
You're not going there, love. Oh. Holly! Get Brad! Get Brad! Not mommy! Not mommy! Not mommy! Not mommy! Careful! Oh, not on the face! Oh, not on the face! Hey! Get Brad! Get Brad! You won't... Get Brad!
You throw it. Throw it. Calm down, alright?
Look up. Oh, you're on.
Here comes Striker.
Oh, now he's going to chew it, that'll definitely. Don't drop him, he's all safe on his legs, he could easily slip out.
Whoa! Quick, going through the slide.
Get on the
Is it fun? Hi. You love water, Holly. It's freezing love.
please.
That's enough. What are you trying to say, Holly?
Sit down there. Sit down there. Nice and cool.
Sit. Upo, upo.
Oh, do you want to take it? Zach, do you want to take your top off?
Yes.
So you dry out.
So, pangalawa niya na yun. Say, I'm freezing. Say hi. Say hi. Super nag-enjoy siya, oh. Nakadalawang outfit ka. No, 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 no.
He done right. I'm just trying a few piles together and then bang.
No, you're not going there, love. No more. No more. Off she go.
Oi.
Stop. No more.
Bubba, too cold. Too cold. Come here. Take your clothes off. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Come here. Someone's cold.
Come on.
Come on.
Good. Good girl.
Put the tail
Come
up.
on, put the
Cold.
towel.
You having your tungy, Hunter?
You've had some good, had a good fun, haven't you?
Yeah, kids that had
Yeah.
fun.
I cannot take down. Did I do it? So you should know. Did you open that? Yeah. You should know. No, I opened it. Oh, God.
Not me, not Holly, not Holly. Guys, I think you have to ask Holly if she's alright.
Yeah.
Go, Holly.
Disgusting. What is that?
Tired.
Okay, Kuya. Is that yours? Put it there.
Father Christmas
Zach, are you listening?
and said you didn't like your bike because it wasn't fast enough.
Dad, you're joking. You don't stand to buy like a fast Spider-Man bike.
Well, I was thinking of Spider-Man bike, but I
So you're just gonna be joking.
What?
Did you want the North Pole? Daddy, I want
No, Father Christmas sent it to the post office and
I'm
Dad.
giant bike.
You can't get a giant bike.
No, when I turn 5 of this.
Nagko-complain kasi siya sa bike niya, hindi raw fast. So, ayan,
Hey!
pinalitan.
Hey! Daddy!
Punta kami sa labas kasi inanan ulit siya ni John.
What is that? Look, I have. It's a changer.
Right.
Thank you.
Wait, that's your brake now. No back brakes. No back brakes. There's your back brakes here.
The two.
No, just
Yeah,
that's your front one.
No, you use trouble. Get it.
Stop with this one. Left hand.
That's a 21.
Slow down, boy.
Where's Holly? Where's Holly?
What'd you go? What number?
6.
Yeah, too much. It's hard. See, that's when you're on the road. You want to go fast. You put it in top gear. But when you're just riding around on the lawn, you just
I'm changing to 1.
2's fine.
I can go on the right for 7.
Han, get that little girl, Beb. Beb, get her.
Use your brake. Use your brake. Whoa.
Well done, son.
Thank you, Dad and Mom, for getting this bike.
Itry daw ni Kuya yung bike niya. Han, the little girl, the little girl. Come here, Baba.
Don't wait.
Wait, Zach. Wait for Kuya. Go.
Slow down. Oh, Tito, got him on the inside.
Oh my God.
Watch out, Zach. Watch where you're going. Use your brake. Now that's your front one. You've got to use your back one. If you use your front-
Also, he doesn't have like that, the spring.
That's shockers.
What do I them?